Big up Krossez TV.
Krossez TV don't laugh. Come in, come get your soap. Come buy the good girl soap over here. What's the only soap? The soap I make a whole. Any man, the soap I make a whole. Milky fragrance, I'll know you not come buy 2 cream or 2 soap. All the soap you bad. Wash all Krossez. Take all blackhead, all acne, everything. Yeah man, you make you stress free. If a man left you, and you just wash your face with a soap, you buy a man and you see him knock by your door. Come in. And you can get the soap right now. Don't get the soap over here, 15 for 1, 30 for 2, shipping free. Come in guys. Sale out by everything guys. Come in. Now well, no price for nothing. Yeah. We got the 150 package over here guys. Come in guys. We got the 150 package over here. Over here. Come in guys. Sale out, boy. Come catch you some sale, boy. Come in guys, come in. Them a good life. Why you come and stay from me and not even buy a cream? You don't come man, you don't come buy something brother. Time hard in America, you know, man. Up on the mall, you don't want to go run up on them and go run and people them place. That you know I'm for do, you know, some non-rate man, you know you. You know come guys, you know come get in the stuff. Time hard, nothing on go on. You know come guys. Thief, you know I'm for thief, you know, some non-respect bad man, you know you. You know come guys, you know come support the thing. America hard, brother. NBA Apple, gone bad girl, you come get in a cream. Miss William, come get a cream over here. What do you think? What do you done so I can't read, man? Face cream and body cream over here. Right here. $30 for the face cream. Give me about 30 now. I don't know chat fuck it. $30 for 2 face soap. Come in over here. Shipping free. Face cream. Yeah man. Body cream there. Let me check it out. This at me I know. Take it off. Choose a different one. Yeah man. My dog make them man. See me make them there. And me make them brother. So them come out nice and pretty. Stop share. Yeah, boy. Thanks, Miss Beckford, for blessing me in idea. And them people, man. Take them the cash up and pin it. Because next thing you hear somebody alive, I beg, you know. You know them dirty people stay. Come guys. Come get on the cream. Get on the cream over here. Get on the cream right there. Over here next. Sure. I'm more tired now. Cammy. Come and tear them the light and I'm buying a cream. Come in shower so. Yeah, tear for me so. Buy 2 cream and buy 2 face soap. People if you don't want to know good cream, you know DM me. If you don't want to know good up soap, you can DM me. You understand? Get up. I know brother. You need to get back a look up man. But it's hard to get out work without certain things, you. I swear. Hard, man. And now certain things, brother, rough your fuck. Especially when you know certain people. Why? feel like give up you. Nah, rush. Just to make the process flow, you know. Nah, rush nothing at all, lad. What fi be just make fi be. What fi happen will happen, you know. When you come, guys, get on the cream over here. Rough no man, God. You don't have nobody at all. I mean, nobody. You want just away, you know. People take advantage. They just like why not just be it's good if you have your own thing, you know. Best you have your own. Nobody won't take the body of you. Nobody won't pop style for you. Nobody won't use it, take you and cuss you. You have your mama man park and go chuck to your mama big pussy. I'm more fast with that man, bride. Me have myself. That you know. True, me not go phone away, you know. How unala make me stammer dog, unala make yo. I get ignorant, brother, I get irritated. I go we all want like pies and listen what people say. I hate me idea. See that everybody got right now, if you know hear say CJ homeless, put it away there. You see me? I'm a company and say I'm homeless. No, I never want to put me up, bro. What I never say, got shelter. You see me? Never did and never will never. Not paying no mind no Krossez TV. That's something you have to run with an idea and you not get nothing to run with. And that me I tell you, you want something to go post up and go blackboard and go make your money. Me the over here say I make my money, leave me alone. You see me? Leave me alone. From Bucklad. When I go suck him more Krossez TV. Fuck wrong with you? And me I say, you understand? You can't kill people through people want to live their life. And live, you know what? Live how they want to live. And you can't choose the people, brother. Anyway, still, that me come about. Let's go for that. As me I say, me sure say if me get put out enough on that, whole I go see there, everybody turn them back. Most of them go say, got shelter. Most of them go say, oh, you should have done this, so, oh. You get me, I say, so, it don't make no sense. I come and vent to and tell them my problem. It don't make no sense. You understand, because I ain't idea none of them can help my brother. See there, I sell 2 cream. And only 1 and 2 people with a willing heart can. You don't support the thing. Even though they not bleach. You understand what I say? Because they know the struggles that I go through. I know say yo, it's rough. When you have certain things. You feel me? But boy, oh boy, people always have to judge. Like a them name God. Like me up there. No far no. Me know say no far no. No far no make sick people. Who no hardly want to come by my life again. Who no hardly want to talk to me. Because I follow rumors, who don't know the whole 9 yard. Who don't know if it's true. Who just anything you hear and run with. You understand? Struggle is real, brother. I true me now come from here and vent like when nigga name King TV, I say name I spitting on here and make me know my business. Yeah, it don't make no sense you can't do that, brother. It makes sense you come vent to people for brother your problems. It don't make no sense at all you. Suck your mama Krossez TV. People get this, brother. Yeah, hit me, I tell you no. Hit me, I tell you no. Hit me, I tell you no. Just through the killer no got that the way there. Everybody just hate me. Yeah? When they want me to go fuck Baddi and catch AIDS. Yeah? Right now, I can post me bumbuckler status. Me clean like whistle. So listen. If me they fuck such person or if such person they fuck me, AIDS than and me done right now. Come on. And I never know if you remember that live, yeah, where such person did that say he never sent for no blood clot brother or cousin. And that's why he threw me out. So weird in that for the hard to pick up. She say, yo, I never tried that road. So I can ease up off of my case now. Bumbuckler. Actually bun the person say, yo, me really come. He really send for me. And me no want to stand with him. He really bun him and he really hurt him. So that's why I come and try to mash up every fucking thing. Mash up everybody against me. And when he realizes and see how much woman in my DM, how much people willing to help me out. And 20 people them against me, I let out the people them. Come on, guys. Me can't walk but no in peace. Since day me I walk go buy a food, you know. All the fresh I'm saying, I walk. I want a nurse girl like me see in one of them big CRV there. I said, CJ, I say, yeah man. I say, Lord Jesus Christ, Father God, me can't hide. All when me change up my looks to bumper ass class, all when me a locks, me still can't hide. Bumper ass class, can't hide you. See you know. Brother, my mother no grow me for bumbuckler, fuck man. So me not have intention for the fuck man. And my bumbuckler would can't turn up for man. Me don't know, I don't care. If I say you have AIDS, You could have taken medication some more. You have AIDS to me. That's something pretty life. You could have the pamper whatsoever for you sick, you're just fucking sick. I mean I have intention to fuck man. I pussy my love. See there? Me have a big bumper clot moms in my room. Lie down. Headache in my bumper clot life. Brother, me just the one to fucking help left Jamaica and that's it. And me get it. Cause things be rough. Anybody get the opportunity to left Jamaica would I take it. Anybody get the opportunity, they would I take it. The reason why I'm going to that because me and me that buns cliff together. And them say you can catch it by saliva whatsoever. Me and did a share one weed together. Fucking idiot. Me and did a buns cliff together. Hey, come on, bro. And the person when me that go to, they want to go take it because she did a pre certain things. I will me explain to her I'm gonna do my test over 150 times, show her. Every 6 months, every 3 months, I'm gonna do a checkup. And she said, I'm gonna go so for real, so no come with something. You see me? Yeah. No come with something, brother. Talk a lot, no buy two cream and time hard. My life mash up, as you say. Nothing I'm going for me over here. Coulda even two of the face soap them. You see me? The oats are only soap them. $15 for one. 30 get two. Shipping free. I know $10 for shipping, so just cause I have $20 that I make for myself. So me deal with the shipping. I don't support the thing. Time hard, nothing I'm going for me. It rough. It rough over here, it rough over here, it rough over here. And then I bring up mix up, so I stop call people name then and buy soap and cream. And that me there sell. Money me a look. Bumbo clock. Money me a look. And then stop coming with no mix up. See me telling you that. I don't pick sense out of common sense, brother. Come on, man, cause everything we hear, we don't run with. We don't make say cause that true, me not chat the road when I want to chat when you hate me like poison. I don't give a fuck still. I still give thanks to 1 and 2 people them in my corner. You understand? Cause likes now put you nowhere. Money me I deal with. When you come in, guys, when you come in, get enough face cream, body cream, face soap over here. In the day before my battery dead, so go in. Come in, guys, come in, support the thing, guys. Support the thing. You know why I'm going to thief? Eh? You know why I'm going to thief? You know come, guys. Me sure you know why I'm going to thief. You know come, man. You know support youths. You know support the youths, them, brother. You know support the youths, them. I'm a trying youth. Always a try. PP or whatever you want name. Get the fuck out of here before me block you. Why you keep on continuing to prolong the argument? You come off of that now. For what do you see a giant my life, you know? I mean, I don't know who the fuck is you, you know? Don't get disrespectful, my dear. Whereas my daughter cannot support my movements. You see me? So get the fuck from out of here. Sometimes I feel like I run with that. But I know if I run with I same fuckery people them, brother. Some people run off. Yo, so let's say we're not going to hear back from. couple years time. You know I'm gonna hear back from man. Wait. I go delete everything. I am my big pussy if you go look work. Shana, whatsoever be Shana 26. Come suck me dick. Come suck every sperms out of it. Tired of people, brother. Come guys, come guys, and come buy the cream. At least me I sell my face cream and my soap. I mean I walk and turn trouble to nobody. I mean I walk and beg nobody. I mean I'm bumbuckler sell my body. You understand? Unlike you where you walk and sell a front for your living girl. Don't start by me in idea. Say oh my head hot, so my broke I have my problem then. Don't start by me in idea. Yeah, me I tell her. So what's up, nobody not buy no cream for me too. And that me I tell her with them. Then you know people business and come and chat off for the mouth. It better than I sit down by my live and I sell my cream and my soap more than yes, I'm going to people place and got thief. No bother with me. No, please, bother with me.